Hi everyone, here we've got SONY Xperia C5 Ultra, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the lock screen and security. Now let's scroll down again in order to find the credential storage section, and at the very bottom of it we've got clear credentials option. So after tapping on it, your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the content, so just tap on OK. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to clear credentials in your SONY Xperia C5 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.